I'm Ashley, the founder of Elemental Growth, to talk to you about keto today. As people enter in my group and community, things like that, I get these questions and concerns from people, things that you guys want to focus on, goals that you have, and I'm so grateful that you share this with me because it allows me to make content to help more people like yourselves. We're never alone. This is what community is all about, guys, helping each other grow. So I guess to start, I'm just going to tell you, I am certified by the Institute for Integrative Nutrition. There I studied, this is the largest nutrition school in the entire world. I'll tell you that. Also, some of the people that I studied under was like Joshua Rothenthal, David Avocado Wolf, Andrew Weil, so many people. There was over 100 dietary theories that we learned, and keto was one of them. The thing that you don't really hear about keto, though, is that it was actually for people with epilepsy. That's how it really all started. But it's not today. Today, it is more of a craze. People are doing it for mental cognition. They're doing it for weight loss, doing it to clean out their body and help with their gut health. There's so many reasons why people are going this way right now. But I need to tell you, it's not for everybody. Don't just do something because it's a fad. You want to do something because it's what your body's telling you to do. Fats are really good for you. What the problem was trans fats. Trans fats, the stuff that's found in potato chips and things like that. Actually, here in Canada, we're really fortunate. They've taken it out of our food supply, but trans fats can still be found in restaurants and things like that, I think, when it's like, deep fried fish, deep fried fries, things. They might have, again, changed. I don't always keep up to date on that stuff. I'm more about just helping you guys navigate your way through to what's real, whole, and good for you. And that comes down to like the real whole foods. And keto's really good at that. Keto's really good at making sure that you're having whole foods. It's a lot of low carb foods, high fat, high protein. So you will find a lot of meats and oily fish. This said, you don't have to be eating meat to be on a keto diet. There are tons of experts that specialize in vegan and vegetarian keto as well. Even magazines out there now of specialists that have created these things, so they are available to you if that's the route that you want to take. And there are tons of benefits. But there are also risks for other people. No one diet is going to work for everybody. We're always constantly changing, and we're all very different people with different needs. And even like, let's say keto works for you very, very well right now, it may not work in the long run, or as you age. So yeah, definitely keep that in mind. Always be checking in on your body and asking, what is it that I need? And, you're going to be okay. If you want more information, or you want any specifics, or to work with me, you can definitely reach out to me, Ashley at elementalgrowth.org, or just send me a little DM. I try to make myself as available as possible to you guys. It's all happening. I love you.